There's a lot of some, as far as I know. So yeah, now to get this scooped out. Here in Jamaica, we're doing everything that we can do to help those affected by Hurricane Melissa. And here's how you can too. Every meal, every dollar, it makes a difference.
Join us in bridging the literacy gap in our community. Literacy gaps are tearing our community apart, leaving many behind. Support our efforts to close these literacy gaps. Your donation can change lives. Help us empower our community.
The counselor of our area just brought over some things. We're gonna unpack this and see what's going on. So here's everything that came in the care package from our MP. I think he's the mayor. I can't remember right now. Some crackers, a couple of things of Tang, some cocoa, sardine, and the sausages, 2 different types of mackerel, some oil, and and some sugar, 2 things of rice, and some cornmeal. So, thank you.